I have a second channel, Cube Computer PortaCube. Hey everybody, here we have the Cube Computer PortaCube system home at the moment for servicing, and I'm in the process of trying to install Windows 11 on this thing. And for one thing, Windows 11 would not do an in-place upgrade from Windows 10, and also Windows 11 refuses to clean install. After the first reboot, you end up with the following message. Windows setup could not configure Windows to run on this computer's hardware. So I have tried multiple things. I've tried running Windows 11 22H2, which is the current release. I've tried running Windows 11 21H2. I've tried running it as UEFI. I've tried running it as CSM. I've even disconnected the secondary data partition with the hard drive that has the data on it. I've disconnected that so that way it only sees the M.2 drive. Everything I've tried so far has yielded no change. So I'm wondering if it's an issue with the BIOS or UEFI firmware. So I'm going to go ahead and restart this thing. And let's go into the BIOS setup utility. Alright, so right now we are currently on version 1.9. Okay, so I finally ended up getting Windows 11 installed on this thing. The way I had to do it was do a clean install on a different system, which I used the Windows 11 test rig for this, since it's a UEFI system. So I just did a clean install, and once that system booted up to the out-of-box setup, I shut everything down and made a copy of that disk over to the M.2 drive that goes into this system, and installed it back into this system, and it booted right into Windows 11. But that's crazy. Windows 11 would not clean install on this system. I tried 21H2, I tried 22H2. Windows 10 would install fine, but Windows 11, it was a no-go. So I had to literally transplant a clean install of a different system onto this thing. And once that was done, everything's working fine now. It's really a weird one. Windows 11 just would not clean install on this machine. However, this thing is an EliteClass certified PC. It does meet the Microsoft EliteClass minimal system requirements to run Windows 11, but yet you can't install Windows 11 on it the normal way. You have to kind of do it the hacked way. So anyways, pretty crazy. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that wraps up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cube Computer channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cube Computer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, Cube Computer PortaCube. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.